So I know it's not like in person where you can see me, but well, in today's video we're just going to play some games. Or I feel like maybe let's do Subway Surfers for today. Yeah, we're going to be playing Subway Surfers today. This is technically my proper video, because like the others were like, well, I did do loads of other videos, obviously, as you know. If you've already been seeing it in the past, but I deleted them by accident, maybe. Something like that, I don't know. But yeah, we're going to play Subway Surfers and see how I can do. So... Wait, let me check. Oh, yeah, it's fine, we got it. Okay, let's do this then. So hopefully I get a good score. Yeah. Oops, that's an accident. Ignore that. And ignore the background noises, by the way. Yeah. Okay, let's do this then. Paige. Let's see. I'm talking to my sister. 1 second, guys. Oh, never mind. So, yeah. Let's do this. I'm not as great as you can see, like how great people do it. But yeah. I haven't got millions, which I don't really do it like, because I can't really do it like that. But yeah, it's quite fun sometimes. So you can get these things. Maybe tomorrow I'll be posting. Well, if not, it'll be today, but later. So yeah, no, I'm gonna post daily. Hopefully, try to post every single day. But yeah. So, oh no, that's an accident. Right. What do you happen? Ooh, 3 hoverboards. Well, I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff because I actually know. Right, ignore the ads, obviously, guys, because it keeps annoying me so much. Let me see what I could do for my avatar. This one's just, don't know. This one's okay. It's not just the ones. What's this? 5. How much do I have? Can I get it? Oh, I need to get out of that. 40,000, I could get that. Check my boards. What should I do? 280,000. Oh, wait, what did I say? Yeah, what? Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I don't know why, just did. Well, I did that. Shop. Why not? Okay. Ooh, we got an alien. Oh, we got UFOs. Never mind. 6. Oh, no. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's coins. Okay. So, yeah. Let's see. Claim it. We get UFOs. Let's go. Coins, nice. Always like some coins. 2 hoverboards. Oops. Just get back on the game. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, that's done. Events. Check the. Yeah, I might as well play it. No. Yeah, let's just play. Let's go. I'm gonna try my best. In fact, I'm gonna do a challenge. So let me just ignore that. Delete. Oh, restart. Oh, I shouldn't do that. Anyways, we're gonna try to do the no coin challenge. Oh, what the hell? As you can see, I'm not good. I've only got 1 coin. Let's see how many coins I could do without, like, yeah. Oh, shoot. 2 coins. Wow. Ah, 3. As you can see, I'm really bad at this challenge. Yeah, let's just carry on. Let's not do that. That's what I'm doing. I beat this bit here. Oh yeah, you can't see it. The daily score. Yeah, let's just do this round. Oh, yeah. Right. Trying to actually show you this game. I can pull it. Okay. Yeah, we got about plenty of time. So once you're here, maybe like and subscribe. It would really help. As you can see, doing some gaming, football. Nice. Right. So yeah, running games. Okay, let's get that. Right. Slide. This is okay game. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's fine. I'll just say something. So yeah, but I don't know why I did that. To say now. Shoot, that was close.
No, Ellie.
Get the tutorial. Then double, whatever it is. I just looked in and things. I go out, but I'm not good. Right, anyways. Keep going this one. No, I think I left quite a few minutes because like this really is long. Yeah, like and subscribe would really help. Can't believe I missed that. Oh yeah, let's try to get to 100 subscribers. 50.
Why haven't you eaten your dinner? Get you to eat now, Ethan. Look.
So,
Ethan, dinner.
oh. Okay. I'm gonna order back down this. Yeah. So, oh, that was close. Right, let me see. Yeah, like and subscribe will really help. So let's try to get to 50 subscribers. I'm not gonna say bye, but like, bye like anyways. So yeah, got some coins, nice. Let's do some missions now. Get this over with. Let's get the missions over. Right, collect reward. Let's see what you get. Or keys, like keys. Yeah, collect keys. Collect reward. Oh yeah. I'm just collecting all of them. Got 21. And we got quite a few. I didn't do this for ages. Use the days. Yeah. Last one, let's do. More keys, yes. See? Oh yeah. Okay, that's good then. Oh yeah, we could do this. Right, here's our mission. Try and up your medal collection. 3 gold mission. Good. Oh. Okay, jumping or rolling, okay. No jumping or rolling, I have to get 6,000 without jumping and rolling. Let's do this then. Oh, what the hell is that? That's bad. Right, let's do this. Jumping or rolling. I don't think that counts, jumping. No! Okay, yeah. Do this. Just follow the ground. Or shall we? 40 barriers. Oh. Okay, we did one quest. Might as well just finish off. So yeah. Alright. Let me see. Yeah, you know what? We'll probably might as well end it here. Ignore that. Yeah, let's end the video here. Everyone knows really bad this time because when I'm doing it, obviously, well, then it's just so crazy. Yeah, but wait a second. Let's quickly do my mission thing. Yep. Achievement. Okay, okay, yeah. Bye.